If you love food, and you love travel, and you love the thought of combining those two passions, the KaiNiue Food Festival is happening in Niue this November from the 3rd to the 5th. Mondo Travel have 3-night packages from just $1,549 per person twin share, but the sale ends Tuesday, August 14th. Your Mondo package includes 3 nights in a beautiful ocean view room at the Scenic Matavai Resort, return Air New Zealand flights, and when you arrive in your room, there will be a bottle of wine waiting for you alongside a tasting platter. There are some top guest chefs from New Zealand flying over for the festival, including Lou and Anne Bentley from the Akaroa Cooking School, who you can do cooking classes with. There's also Jeremy Rameka from the Pacifica restaurant in Napier, winner of Cuisine New Zealand's Good Food Award 2017 Restaurant of the Year, and Rex Morgan from the Boulcott Street Bistro in Wellington. There are buffet dinners, there's a high commission lunch, a whole lot more, even time for snorkeling. So if you do love food and you love travel and you fancy a trip to Niue in November, contact Mondo Travel today. Remember, that sale ends August the 14th. You can visit the website mondotravel.co.nz or call Mondo on 0800 110 108. That's 0800 110 108.